So, I got a comment about info on creating materials for game hair in Unreal Engine. I created this video to help with that, so let's get into it. Generally, for hair cards, creating a material can be tedious and difficult. Instead of toiling with that, I recommend using the material that was created for epic Paragon characters. The Paragon characters are free to download on Fab Marketplace. I talked about this in a previous video. So download a Paragon character with hair and add it to your project. I'm here in my project in Unreal Engine. I will be using the hair material that comes with the Paragon character named Phase. This is Phase in my mesh preview window. In the Paragon Characters folder, if you go to Characters, Global, Hair, and Materials, you will see the Hair Sheet Master material. Now, this material is set up well to handle different types of hairstyles and configurations. To get the most out of it, we need to right-click on it and create a material instance for it. When you open up the material instance, you will see a lot of parameters you can customize. The most important things to change and replace are the default maps. Replace these with your custom haircard maps. These parameters are located under Global Texture Parameter Values. You have an alpha, a depth, root, and unique hair value. Check the boxes to add your custom maps. The alpha map is self-explanatory. Depth map can be created by getting height map information for your hair cards. The root map is really a gradient map using black and white. The roots themselves are black in value when creating this gradient map. The unique hair value, I typically create this by just using an ID map for individual hair strand. And the most important map here is actually the alpha map. So don't feel too stressed if you don't have the other maps to go into the slots. They do help, but it's okay to go ahead without them. Add this material instance to your current hair cards. This is how it initially looks. Now it takes some tweaking of the settings and tweaking of the maps to get it all right. Under Global Scalar Parameters, you can try any of these settings, but the most important ones here are Edge Mask Contrast, Edge Mask Minimum, MIP Bias, and Pixel Depth Offset. You can see the changes here just with these 4 values being edited. The value settings are very much dependent on the need of your hairstyle. This is a good point to take your time and find the right combination and settings of values that work for your hair cards. Now, if you scroll down to Variant Hair, you can change the color for the hair roots and tips, and you can see how this all starts coming together. Now, a side note here, for the hair I created, I needed to alter the alpha maps so the hair strands are much thicker, and then good lighting did the rest. Well, I hope this clears up the use of Paragon materials for hair. Any questions about that or comments, you can always leave them in the comments section or head on over to the Discord. Take care.